Nearly a month following its debut for another platform, the Marvel-made Spider-Man 2 for PC has gained Patch 3, featuring a wide range of visual and performance enhancements, a resolution to mechanics failure due to which the game registered performance lags, receiving the third patch with resolutions to a number of issues affecting the latest port of the Spider-Man sequel. It marks the third major patch since the release of Spider-Man 2 for PCs on January 30th. Unlike the consistently smooth performance of Spider-Man 2 for PS5, its PC version was bugged down owing to a series of technical woes shortly after hitting storefronts last month. The taint clutched the game's unwavering reputation, notwithstanding the equally impressive features and specifications, leading to heavy backlash from frequent Spider-Man players for encountering numerous major and minor bugs worldwide. Thanks to the rollout of an array of patches for restoring the glory of Spider-Man 2 on PC, like other platforms, on the globally acclaimed game distribution platform Steam, the superhero title has firmed its presence, taking a notable leap from mixed reviews at the time of release to retaining mostly positive reviews. This consistency points to Nixx's devotion to maintaining the momentum of cherishable gameplay with the rollout of updates.